Hi, this is Tracy from DIY Domination. Have you ever wondered if you're taking the right steps in your skincare routine? In the realm of beauty and wellness, skincare is a cornerstone. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. And more importantly, it's about maintaining the health of your skin. Skincare is a ritual, a commitment to self-care that pays off in the long run. The skincare routine we are about to delve into consists of fundamental steps that work in harmony to keep your skin in its prime. We'll start with cleansing, the foundation of any good routine. Then we'll move on to exfoliating, a step that's done occasionally to reveal a brighter complexion. Next, we'll explore toning, an optional step that can balance your skin and prepare it for the next vital step, moisturizing. Lastly, we'll discuss sun protection, a crucial step to prevent premature aging and skin damage. It's time to unveil the secrets behind a successful skincare routine. Let's embark on this journey to healthier skin together. First things first, it's crucial to have the right tools at hand. Let's talk about what you'll need to carry out your skincare routine effectively. Firstly, you'll need a facial cleanser. This is the cornerstone of any skincare routine, helping to wash away impurities and prep your skin for the steps to follow. Next, an exfoliant. This is optional and generally used 2 to 3 times a week to slough off dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Thirdly, a toner. Again, this is optional and can help balance your skin's pH and remove any residual impurities. Then comes the moisturizer, a vital step in keeping your skin hydrated and soft. Don't forget a good sunscreen for your morning routine to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Lastly, you'll need a clean, soft towel and a mirror. Now that you have your skincare arsenal ready, let's move on to the next step. A clean canvas is the first step in any masterpiece, and your skin is no exception. Let's dive into the art of cleansing your face, a vital part of your skincare routine, which we'll be doing twice a day, morning and evening. In the morning, the goal is to remove the natural oils and sweat that have accumulated on your skin overnight. Start by wetting your face with lukewarm water. Avoid hot water as it can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness. Once your face is wet, take a small amount of a gentle facial cleanser that's suitable for your skin type. Apply the cleanser to your face and gently massage it in circular motions. This action helps to lift and remove the oils and dirt from your skin's surface. Once done, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. In the evening, we cleanse again, but this time we're also washing off the day's makeup, dirt, and pollutants. Follow the same cleansing process as in the morning. If you've been wearing makeup, you might want to do a double cleanse. The first cleanse to take off your makeup and the second to clean your skin. After cleansing, pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing as it can cause irritation and even lead to wrinkles over time. Remember, a clean face is a happy face. And with that, you've completed the first and most fundamental step of your skincare routine. Up next, we'll talk about exfoliating. Stay tuned. Now that your skin is clean, it's time to give it a little glow. Enter the magic of exfoliation. This step is all about sloughing off those pesky dead skin cells that can make your skin look dull and lifeless. When you exfoliate, you're helping to reveal the fresh, vibrant skin underneath. So how do you do it? Start by selecting an exfoliant that's suitable for your skin type. Once you've got the right product, apply it to your skin using gentle circular motions. Here's a word to the wise: don't overdo it. Over-exfoliation can irritate your skin, leading to redness and sensitivity. Aim to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Remember, exfoliation isn't just about improving the appearance of your skin, it also helps your other skincare products penetrate more deeply, making them even more effective. Exfoliation can leave your skin looking brighter and smoother. After exfoliation, it's time to balance and hydrate your skin. Now, toning is an optional step in your skincare routine. Some people find it beneficial while others may not. If you choose to include it, the right toner can help balance your skin's pH and remove any remaining impurities that might have been missed during the cleansing process. It can also prep your skin for the next step, which is moisturizing. To apply toner, you can use a cotton pad or your fingers. If you're using a cotton pad, saturate it with the toner and then gently swipe it over your face, avoiding the eye area. If you prefer using your fingers, pour a small amount of toner into your hands and then gently pat it onto your skin. And remember, always apply toner to a cleansed face. Once you've done with toning, or if you've decided to skip it, it's time to moisturize. Moisturizing is a crucial step in your skincare routine, regardless of your skin type. Even if your skin is oily, it still needs hydration. A good moisturizer helps to hydrate your skin and lock in all the moisture, keeping your skin soft and supple. It can also form a protective layer over your skin, defending it from environmental factors that can dry it out. When it comes to applying moisturizer, less is usually more. Start with a small amount about the size of a pea and adjust as needed. Warm it up by rubbing it between your fingers, then apply it to your face and neck. Use gentle upward strokes to avoid pulling or tugging on your skin, and don't forget about your neck. It's often overlooked but is just as deserving of care as your face. Make sure to give your moisturizer a few minutes to absorb into your skin before moving on to the next step in your routine. This will ensure that your skin reaps all the benefits your moisturizer has to offer. Hydrated skin is healthy skin. So remember, don't skip the moisturizer, it's one of your skin's best friends. No skincare routine is complete without protection against the sun. Sun protection is not just a summer thing, it's a daily necessity. The sun emits harmful ultraviolet rays all year round, even on cloudy or rainy days. These rays can penetrate deep into your skin, leading to premature aging, skin damage, and even skin cancer. So how can we shield our skin from these rays? The answer is sunscreen. A broad-spectrum sunscreen, which protects against both UVA and UVB rays, should be a staple in your skincare arsenal. Look for a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 to ensure you're getting adequate protection. Now let's get into the how-to of sunscreen application. After you've moisturized, it's sunscreen time. Apply it generously to your face and neck, making sure not to miss any spots. Yes, even those seemingly hidden areas like the edges of your ears and under your chin need protection. It's also important to remember that sunscreen isn't a one-and-done deal. If you're spending a significant amount of time outdoors, you'll need to reapply every 2 hours. And don't forget to pair your sunscreen with other sun protective measures like wearing a hat and sunglasses and seeking shade during the sun's peak hours. Incorporating sunscreen into your daily routine may seem like a chore at first, but trust me, your future self will thank you. And remember, sunscreen isn't just for the beach, it's for every day. You're almost there, now it's time for the finishing touches. After diligently applying your sunscreen in the morning, you might want to proceed with your makeup routine. Keep in mind, your skincare routine creates a perfect canvas for your makeup. It ensures your skin is clean, smooth, and protected, allowing your makeup to sit better and last longer. In the evenings, you might have a different set of products to apply, perhaps a serum, a retinol cream, or a night mask. These products are usually designed to work their magic overnight, giving your skin the much-needed rejuvenation and repair it deserves. When using these products, follow the instructions on the packaging, and remember to give them enough time to absorb into your skin. This usually means waiting a few minutes between applying different products. Now let's touch on a few additional tips to enhance your skincare journey. Firstly, always be gentle with your skin. Avoid harsh scrubbing or using hot water as it can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Secondly, it's important to choose products that are suitable for your skin type and address your specific skin concerns. This can mean a bit of trial and error at the start, but once you find what works for you, stick to it. Thirdly, be consistent with your routine. Skincare is not a one-time thing, but a daily ritual. It's the consistency that brings about visible improvements in your skin over time. If you have specific skincare concerns, or if you're unsure about any product or step in your routine, don't hesitate to consult with a dermatologist. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your skin type and conditions. And lastly, remember that a basic skincare routine is just the starting point. You can always tweak, add, or eliminate steps based on your skin's unique requirements and your personal preferences. Remember, consistency is key in skincare. Stick to your routine and your skin will thank you.